Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mutiara Febrianti. I'm Class B from English Education 2022 of University West Sulawesi. So I'm going to read the story about the fox and the bird. One day a fox saw a bird sitting on the branch of a tree. In his mouth the bird had some food. The fox wanted this food because he was very hungry. "You are a beautiful bird," the fox said, "but can you sing?" "Of course I can sing," thought the bird. "This is a very stupid fox." He opened his mouth to sing and dropped the food. The fox caught the food and said, "Yes, you can sing, you're very beautiful, but you're not very smart." And the fox ran away with the food. From the story The Fox and the Bird, we can explain that it is necessary to always be alert and not be careless. It's possible that people give compliments just because they want to take advantage or harm us. Thank you, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.